Dumadaan po ba tayo sa physical na karamdaman sa ating mga buhay? Then the answer for that, let us touch the hem of Jesus' garment. Dumadaan po ba tayo sa financial crisis ng ating mga buhay? Then let us touch the hem of Jesus' garment. Iniisip po ba natin, Panginoon, ang dumi-dumi ko na. Panginoon, hindi ako karapat-dapat sa inyo. The answer for that, let us touch the hem of Jesus' garment, mga kapatid. Hipuin natin ang laylayan ng damit ng ating Panginoong Jesus. Magkaroon tayo ng pananampalataya sa Diyos na buhay na ating pinaglilingkuran. And we will be delivered, just as this woman that once said, if I can just touch the hem of His garment, I will be healed. Pray to Jesus, trust Jesus, and be faithful to Jesus. And it says in 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7, casting all your cares upon Jesus, because Jesus cares for you.